A white truck drives on a Colorado road.
So it's super important for us to do the right fix and the right job, because if these vehicles aren't up to tip-top shape when they leave here, then it's on us and it's our responsibility to make that happen for them.
A man in a neon jacket and hard hat climbs into a plow truck.
Hi, I'm Ryan Smith. I'm a heavy equipment mechanic 3 for Colorado Department of Transportation on the Western Slope.
Text CDOT Heavy Equipment Mechanics.
I grew up here on a little farm in Loma, Colorado, and have lived here my whole life. When I was growing up, I had dirt bikes, so always having to tinker on them and fix them and keep them going.
Text Ryan and the Western Slope crew cover highways between the Utah border and the Eisenhower Johnson Memorial Tunnel. Ryan opens the door to enter the shop. A dump truck is resting on a hydraulic lift with the engine compartment exposed.
As a field mechanic or a shop mechanic at CDOT, your duties are to fix whatever vehicle comes in. Whatever rolls in this shop, whether it be a paver, a tack wheel truck, a snow plow, a mower with a tractor on it, you're expected to, bumper to bumper fix the truck. And then they'll either bring it here or I'll need to go out in the field and fix it.
An animated pin drops, identifying the area as Grand Junction, Colorado. The camera pans over an aerial view of the mesa and the adjacent city. Chuck Marsh, CDOT's Regional Communications Manager for Northwest Colorado, speaks to the camera.
The Western Slope of Colorado is truly an amazing place. We have anywhere from orchards to mesas, but it's difficult at the same time. We have harsh winters, we have harsh summers, and these mechanics are a huge part to make sure that our fleet is up and running and doing the job that we need them to allow commuters and commercial vehicles to make their way where they need to.
A CDOT truck backs to a plow. Ryan exits the truck and plods through the snow.
Today we're out here fixing a bull plow on a loader, which is where the crews will come in and clear the medians and the right-of-ways using the loader. What happens is they get a lot of cracks and fractures just from the abuse of going up and down the road and the iron getting hot and cold. So today we're just welding up a little minor crack and a little hole that came about inside the blade.
Ryan stabilizes the maintenance truck and secures the plow. He then puts on a safety mask and uses a welding torch to mend a crack on the blade of a plow.
You might be good at welding, so you get to show that off. You get to do a lot of welding, or you might be really good at electrical work, so you do a lot of electrical work. It's unique in that we don't just do one thing. We're fixing all these other issues with the truck.
The camera pans over a dense forest blanketed in snow. Chuck speaks to the camera.
They're going out in the middle of the night, in the middle of a blizzard, in the middle of nowhere, where it's sometimes dangerous, and they help the people that need it.
Ryan inspects the engine of a truck.
I take my job super seriously because this truck is going to get them through their shift, whether it be the lights working, the windshield wipers working, the horn, the brakes. All those things have to work for this person to do their job and also for them to get home safely too.
Ryan lowers the hood of the plow truck back over the engine. The scene transitions to a large dump truck with a front plow and carrying sand, clearing snow from a road.
After you crack your hand on something, you had a hand in fixing that truck and it's out doing its job because of you and your team. I think my purpose is to help people, and the best way I can help people is to fix stuff for them.
Text, we do more than you think. Colorado Department of Transportation, Division of Maintenance and Operations. Join the team.